is why recessions make the most millionaires. I started my financial freedom journey back in the 2008 market crash when I had no idea how the markets work, and I accidentally made $10,000 while all the banks were going bankrupt. Then I became obsessed about finance and investing because I wanted to find out how on earth I made $10,000 in a crashing market. Then I learned something which completely changed my life forever. That was that investing is a psychological game. The time to buy is when everybody else is panicking, but it takes huge emotional strength not to follow the crowd, right? And that's why after years of working on Wall Street and trial and error, I finally developed a system that takes the emotions out of investing. And it allows you to make your money work for you and to take advantage of the recession, even if you're not a math whiz and even if you're super busy. Would you like to have a system like that? If you're ready to take advantage of economic uncertainties and make your money have babies, check out my free masterclass. It's probably here or here.